BigTime is an accounting software that's been getting attention, but before you make the decision to buy, there are 12 things you should know. Stick around to the end, and we'll reveal whether it stands up against the competition. First off, BigTime offers a comprehensive suite of accounting tools, but it's not the only player in the field. It competes with established names like QuickBooks, FreshBooks, and Xero, which are all easier for beginners to pick up. BigTime is more suited for professional services, making it better for firms than small businesses. Next thing to consider, pricing. BigTime's pricing isn't as transparent as some of its competitors. While you do get a range of features, you'll need to contact their sales team for custom pricing, which can feel like a hassle. Compared to QuickBooks or FreshBooks, where prices are clear up front, this can be a bit of a turnoff for those who want to know costs immediately. The third thing you should know is the user interface. BigTime's dashboard is well organized, but can feel cluttered with all the options available. If you're comparing it to something like FreshBooks, which is much more minimalist, BigTime may take a bit more time to get used to. Next thing, reporting. BigTime shines in this department with its deep, customizable reports. If you need detailed insights and want to adjust reports to match your business's needs, it's a solid choice. However, for businesses that just need simple reporting, Xero's ease of use and less complex reporting may appeal more. The fifth thing, integrations. BigTime integrates with a wide variety of tools, which is great for businesses with more complex needs. However, it's not as extensive as QuickBooks, which offers a broader list of integrations. If you're already using a suite of third-party tools, QuickBooks might make things easier. Next, BigTime's mobile app. While it has a decent app, it doesn't quite match up to competitors like FreshBooks, which has a more intuitive mobile experience. For those who need to do their accounting on the go, a smoother mobile app can make a difference. The seventh thing, project management features. BigTime offers strong project management capabilities, which is a huge benefit for firms managing client projects. If you're looking for something with more focus on time tracking and resource management, BigTime might be the right choice over competitors like Xero or QuickBooks. Next, time tracking. BigTime excels here, with more sophisticated time tracking features. If your business involves tracking billable hours, this is a standout feature. On the other hand, tools like FreshBooks offer a simpler time tracking experience, which might be all you need if you're running a small operation. The ninth thing is support. BigTime offers solid customer service, including live chat and phone support, but it can take a bit longer to get a response compared to competitors like QuickBooks, which is known for its quicker turnaround times. The 10th thing, customization. BigTime lets you tailor your experience quite a bit, which is fantastic for larger firms that need a system built around their specific needs. If you're a small business just getting started, this could be overkill, and a simpler system might be more suitable. Next up, security. BigTime has a solid security framework, offering data encryption and secure access, which is essential for businesses that handle sensitive financial data. However, if you're looking for a system with additional security layers, Xero offers multi-factor authentication, something BigTime doesn't quite match. The 12th and final thing is scalability. BigTime is designed for growing firms, so if your business is set to scale or is already large, BigTime can grow with you. However, for startups or small businesses, it might feel like more than you need, and platforms like FreshBooks could be a better fit. So, is BigTime worth the buy? It's a solid option, particularly for larger firms with complex needs, but it does come with a few drawbacks, like its pricing transparency and less intuitive mobile app. If you want a more user-friendly and cost-effective option, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.